10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Why you confused? Confused of what? Thank you for the likes. Also, I go with the bus in around 45 minutes. It's okay. It's okay, those gamer. I'll just do my live 10 minutes. Just for the new update. New live update. I'll arrive at 1 p.m. at the station where my dad is picking me up. Okay. How old are you, those gamer? And where are you from? 18. Oh, you're so young. The Netherlands. Oh, then a nice country. Nice country, those gamer. Do you know how to speak Filipino? Or like Tagalog? Yeah. But that is not ours. I just set my camera in there. Are you in Austria? No, I'm not in Austria. I'm from Norway. Actually, I'm from the Philippines and live in Norway. I'm a Filipina. Si Sebastian, salamat. Pag di ko mahabol yung ano mo si Sebastian, ano lang, reply lang ako si Sebas kahit late na. Okay lang ha. Okay lang ha. Okay lang ba? Do you know the place? Hell? What hell? What you mean, those gamer? There's a place in Scandinavia called Hell. I don't know. I'm not familiar of that uh place. Where was that? It's my first time to hear that there is a place called Hell in Scandinavia. Maybe I will search. Sir Rex, make a love shout out. Thank you for coming. This is just a short live. Just haven't seen Northern Lights. Northern Lights I saw. We have Northern Lights here in Norway. In the north. Normally, Northern Lights is in the north because north are more cold. That's why. In the south, I don't think they have there. I seen that. It's almost like it's colorful and it's moving. What is that? The clouds is moving. It's nice to see that, but normally it's coming out when it's cold. It's good when you have a good camera. When the northern lights appear. We call that also aurora. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up. Salamat ninyong lahat. Yan, malapit na tayo mag-end. Konting kimpot na lang. Nawala na yung aking ano. Ayan sila. Si Sebastian, the Austin Gamer. I mean the Aus Gamer. And Sir Rex, thank you so